Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix mouse lag in Stutter in Windows. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the Windows icon, and then you're going to click the right mouse, and you're going to click the settings, and you're going to see a pop-up window appearing to you just like this. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the devices. And now what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the mouse, and then you're going to toggle off the scroll inactive windows when I hover over them, and that should fix your problem. If you're still facing that same issue, and what you're going to do, you're going to just move your USB from one part of the laptop to another. Some people have that common issue, and basically the way to fix it is changing your USB USB position, right? Changing it from, you have multiple, like maybe 3 or 4 USB, so you can insert it in. So basically you're gonna be able to change and plug it in to another part of the USB. So that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.